What's going on, you guys? Is your boy here at All the Boost. Today we'll be installing a Mojo shift knob for the Fiesta ST. My Fiesta, as you can tell, is envy green, and the shift knob or pistol grip is supposed to be really close. I already opened the package here. Comes with, you know, your Mojo sticker, of course, because all these stickers at HP, so make sure to put them on. Comes with this beautiful, and I mean beautiful, gorgeous, look at this, pistol grip shift knob, and comes with your tape, you know, for your threads. Okay, now I have a Boomba one currently. I've already been taking it off before I started the video. But all you gotta do is, I mean, come on, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so, boom. Now, take the spring out. There goes my door. That was a bit weird. Let's open it again. Okay. So, what you wanna do is, you go 10 on top and 20 on the bottom. Just so you get that nice, really tight, you know, grip. Here we go. So here, let me see what I could do. I can't probably hold the camera and do it at the same time, so let's see. Using my steering wheel, so bear with me. I think that's good enough. Okay. So we'll go. Alright, there we go. I really didn't count it. I just, you know, went with it. Like I said, usually 10 on the top and 20 in the bottom, or just thicker in the bottom and less in the top. Let's get to it. You want to put the spring back. Don't forget, this is for your reverse, I believe. Yep, need that. And just, you know, twist it back on. Simple as that. Now you just want to adjust it. It does get pretty tough in the bottom because all that tape we put. But there you go, you guys. There you have it. I also do have the short shifter installed. I would be posting that video up here soon. It's just 40 minutes long, and I gotta edit it and make it at least like 15 or 20. I want you guys to sit there for 40 minutes. Boom. I know some people take like 10 minutes, but you know, when you're trying to make a video, you take it nice and slow. There was no rush. There you guys have it. Make sure you guys check out Mojo. And peace.